So yeah, you can see that slight shine to it. Just as you kind of like move your head around and you turn and you blink, you can see this kind of really nice, really cool shine to it. Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel, which is all about makeup and beauty. So today I'm going to be showing you how to create a glossy lid. That glossy lid that you see on the runways, you see all the models wearing, and it looks amazing. And I want to show you how to create that without getting that crease in there. But the main highlight, I think, of this video is me showing you a different technique where you can wear a kind of semi-glossy lid, and it looks so chic and anyone can create it. And I'm really excited about you guys trying this look out because it's just so easy. Now, before we head into the video, if you do like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so that you never miss any of my future videos. You can also catch me on Instagram where you can watch my stories for daily beauty news. So let's head straight into the video. As you can see, I have a full face of makeup on. I've had this on all day and I really just wanted to show you how to wear a kind of glossy lid and how you can apply it on top of makeup. Now you can obviously wear this look with no other eye makeup and just go in with your mascara or maybe a set of lashes. Now I wanted to show you how you can still wear it on a look like this because you don't have to only go for that kind of editorial style, which is just the bare kind of gloss and lashes or just mascara and that's it. You can wear it on looks like this. Now I've had this look on all day, so I just wanted to really show you how to use a gloss on the eyes and how to avoid that crease on the eye as well. Because I really do love this look, but sometimes it can be difficult. If you don't apply it in the right way, then obviously you're gonna get that crease throughout the day because you've got this whole lid area here. Now you can opt for a gloss which is specifically for the eyes, which is great, but to be honest with you, there are glosses that you can use which are for the lips, but you can use them on the eyes. Now it really depends on the type of lip gloss that you're using. Don't use a lip plumping gloss on your eyes. Don't use anything which is kind of minty or refreshing in any way. Just use a really average, normal lip gloss. Now I'm going to use the Kevyn Aucoin Glass Glow Lip because you can use this. It is kind of multi-use. It is the crystal clear one, so I didn't want a colored gloss. I just wanted to use something which is kind of clear. It has a very, almost like a holographic sheen to it, which I quite like on the eyes. So it's not completely clear. It does have that very slight kind of, like I said, holographic look to it, but that really does depend on the light. When the light hits it and it kind of like gives you that really nice effect. As you can see, like I've said, already have my eye makeup on. Now obviously if I don't have eyeliner on, then I can go much closer to my lid. In fact, I will go over my eyeliner because I really want you guys to see how you can still wear this whole look. Plus, there are so many different things that you can do with gloss on your eyes, so I want to show you how. I'm going to take you through the first look. You can see I have my eyeliner on. I'm going to opt for another brush that fits perfectly on my eyeliner, so I'm going to use my Makeup Forever 252 brush. And I'm going to take this gloss and just apply some of this to the brush. I'm going to show you how you can have a glossy eyeliner look because I love this look. It looks so good on. Plus, you've got zero chance of it creasing if your eyeliner is not too thick as well. Now, mine's quite thick, but I have generally quite a lot of space on my eyelid. Like my crease is a lot higher, so I don't have to worry about it getting into my crease. And therefore I'm not going to end up with any kind of like creasing or weird look to this whole look. So the first way of applying gloss is you can apply this on top of your eyeliner, but you've got to make sure that your eyeliner is an eyeliner that stays put. So I have actually used the Huda Beauty Lifeliner pen because it does stay put. And what I'm going to do is I've got my brush and I'm going to basically start painting this on. Now I'm not going to smooth it all the way across. I am going to kind of like press it on, and I love the look that this gives. So let's start, and I'm going to start from just from the inner corner, and I'm going to start just pressing it on. Now obviously I've got lashes on as well. You don't have to wear lashes. It's really up to you what kind of eyeliner look you're going for. But I really love this kind of glossy eyeliner look. I just feel like it's something different. That is literally it. Now, this is why I love this gloss on the eyes, because can you see as I turn, I really hope you can see, but as I turn, you can see this kind of like holographic sheen over it, and I love the look of it. Oh, I really hope you can see this because I can see it and it looks awesome. So yeah, you can see that slight shine to it. Just as you kind of like move your head around and you turn and you blink, you can see this kind of really nice, really cool shine to it. So that's, I'm gonna do the other side and then you can see what this looks like. See how quick that was? That was just super quick. I don't want to glide across because then what I'm doing, I'm kind of like disturbing the eyeliner that I applied. And although this is an eyeliner that kind of like stays put, I still don't want to like just kind of like move it around too much. So yeah, that is the first way that you can wear gloss on your lids, which I personally think is a really easy way. Plus it's something different. So I know you can get eyeliners which have a shiny finish to them. I really don't like them at all because I feel like it looks a bit plastic more than anything. Whereas this is a completely different type of shine on your eyeliner. So use a kind of matte. Nico's sitting in the room and he is just like doing his own thing. He's just shifting all over the place. What are you doing? Are you okay? He's just come back from boarding. Oh my God, he came back from a week, like a little staycation he had. He had a Halloween party. Oh my God, you should have seen him. He looked so cute. They dressed him up as, I can't figure out what it was, whether it was a sushi roll. Like he had a piece of salmon on his back and he had this like bandana on, like he was some kind of like teppanyaki chef. I don't even know if that is a thing, whether it's a teppanyaki chef or it's just is teppanyaki like a type of food, or it's a method of cooking, isn't it? Anyway, yeah, I don't know what it was, but he looked really awesome and I think he loved it. And now he's like got this major hangover since he's got back from boarding, so he's kind of like, he's just like looking at me like, I just want to sleep. He looks so cute. Anyway, so yeah, you can see how you've got this really nice kind of finish to this whole look, and it's something different. Honestly, I feel like it can be difficult sometimes if you are not the type of person who likes to be too adventurous with your makeup and you want something different, but you don't want to look ridiculous, you know? So I totally get you if that is you, because I love trying new things, but equally, I don't want to try the kind of things that are like, you know, hey, look at me. Like I want to still keep it slightly understated. So this would be perfect if you like that kind, if that's your kind of vibe, you know? So that is obviously the gloss on the eyeliner look, which I love. Now I'm going to show you how you can put it over the whole lid and avoid that creasing. It's actually pretty simple, to be honest. You just want to avoid the actual crease and you really need to understand the structure of your eye. So for example, if you know that, right, okay, you're very kind of expressive with your eye movements, then you want to kind of keep that gloss a little bit lower. Now there are a couple of things that you can do, but it's a bit kind of time consuming in the sense that you can soak up some of the gloss in that crease with like a Q-tip. Do that every so often, but I personally think that's a waste of time. It's not a waste of time, it's just like long. So I'm going to show you how you can just avoid having that crease altogether. Now I'm going to use my Makeup Forever 226 brush and I'm using the same gloss. Now what I'm doing is applying a whole load of it to my brush, and I want to make sure that I apply it on my lid, but I've really got to make sure that I don't take it too close to my crease. The reason being is because look, even if I go like that middle section kind of touches my crease area, and if it gets into that area, then it's just going to start creasing, and then it just doesn't look right. So I have concealer underneath, so obviously that might build up, but I do have the right type of concealer on. I have a concealer which kind of stays put. It's super matte and it's the Tarte Shape Tape concealer. I'm going to go in with my brush, and you can use, to be honest, any kind of concealer brush for this. You just need something that's flat. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually hold my mirror up here because I really want to make sure I don't get into that crease. Okay, so I'm just going to press it on. So I'm not going into the crease, and I'm also not applying it like a lot of product. I don't want too much of the product on the brush. Okay, so you can see how I've got it on my lid now, and you can see that really nice shine. I personally love this look as well. Like, as well as the gloss on the eyeliner look, I love it on the lid as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to the other eye. And you can see I'm not applying it into my crease. You just want a really thin layer. You don't want it to be too thick. Like you don't want it to look like it's dripping. You just want there to be this really nice glaze on the lid, which is what we have now. Okay, so now that I have it on my lids, what I want to do is go in with a Q-tip, and you only need to do this once. I'm gonna just go right into my crease area, and even though I don't have any gloss there, I'm literally kind of like just dragging down, and it's just kind of grabbing hold of any little residue that's there that could potentially like start to crease. So I'm dragging down very lightly. And what that's also doing is just pushing that gloss down. So now that that's kind of soaked up any excess, that is basically our finished glossy lid. It is super easy to do this look. And personally, my favorite out of both of them is the gloss on the eyeliner look. I think it's something different. It's not like your standard, glossy eye. It's just different. And you can use any kind of gloss as long as, like I mentioned, it's not like plumping. It's not like that minty refreshing, because that's just gonna, you shouldn't really put that near your eyes. And you want something which is just a really simple clear gloss, or a colored gloss. You can use that as well. Obviously not too like pigmented, something quite transparent. Personally, I think the most color you should have is kind of that holographic kind of finish to it, that really nice holographic sheen to it, because then at least there's some difference there. It gives it some depth, especially when you're kind of turning side to side or blinking. You get that really nice kind of like change to the eye look. So this is something that you can do, which is wearable. And I wanted to show you two different ways, because I feel like just having a slick of gloss on your entire lid is a bit boring, and I wanted to show you how you can change it up and wear it differently and still keep it understated. And that's my way of creating two different types of glossy eye looks. So there you go, that is how I create glossy lids. Two different techniques, which I hope you've enjoyed. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments box below. Now, as always, if you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so that you never miss any of my future videos. Until the next time, take care, and I'll see you soon.